Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anna, and as you can see in the title of the video that this video is again on the topic racial discrimination. I had no plan on making this video and I am really unprepared as well. Some thoughts came to my mind and which I want to share with you all. So as you all know that we discussed about who was Paras and what happened to him, what he said and stuffs, and to tell you guys that he got arrested and he will be brought into custody in Arunachal Pradesh very soon. So this is the update for you all if you don't know about what is happening currently. And what happened, what made me again come here and talk about this is because yesterday again I saw people sharing and talking about another two guys who are using similar kind of racial discriminatory words verbally against the MLA, and they have been caught again, and their channel also has I think lakhs and lakhs of subscribers. They are very popular YouTubers. So how many of Paras are there still in India?
जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि पबजी मोबाइल, ठीक है, एक बहुत गंदा ट्रोल करता हूँ, जो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि पबजी मोबाइल जो अभी बैटलग्राउंड मोबाइल इंडिया आ रहा है वो चाइना का है। यार तुम अपना नाम तो देखो, तुम्हारा नाम तो चाइना का है। जिस भी बंदे ने ट्वीट डाला उसका नाम देखो एक बार जाके, क्या नाम है उसका।
So I was giving a lot of thought in this topic and I was trying to think what can be the factors which influence such people and which conditions such people to think in a way that they think that the people who don't look like them or the people who look different than them are not Indians. So what came to my mind is that what are the influences we have as a child to think that way. It does not start all of a sudden. It starts because you are conditioned that way since your childhood. So I thought about a lot of factors and I'm gonna tell you guys what are the factors. So first thing is that when a child is small, he learns things from his house. Okay, he learns from his friends, neighborhood friends. And what if they don't have any Northeastern friends there? Okay, then leave it there. Then think about going to school. Another way a kid learns things from the society is going to school. What if he do not have any Northeastern friends in school? If you are surrounded by Northeastern friends, I don't think that you will have such kind of low mentality, because you will know they are same, they are very kind, generous, and you will definitely be a very good friend with them if you already have friends from Northeast, right, from your childhood. Okay. And then another influence is our books, what we learn from our books. And what if obviously everyone is not that fortunate enough to go to school and learn from the books. So another factor which come to my mind from which we can have a very big influence right from the childhood is Bollywood or media. So everybody watches movies, everybody watches serials, everybody watches cartoons. So let's talk about Bollywood now. So guys, I'm not here to raise any issue against Bollywood. I personally do not have any grudge or anything as such. But what came to my mind is that other than going to school and learning from your friends and teachers, Bollywood is the first thing which can influence a child or other people in India to have that mentality. So why there are no actor and actresses from Northeastern state in Bollywood? It is one of the biggest Indian industry, and yeah, they make movies. But why there are no actor and actresses from Northeastern state in Bollywood who are not famous? I can't even name one whom I actually know. Okay. So what do you guys think, that they are not pretty enough or they are not talented enough? I still know many models and many people who are struggling to get through Bollywood, but they are rejected saying that they don't look Indian enough. So what is that? Why there is so much discrimination everywhere? And so ever since I was a child, I was made to believe that to look pretty, you should have bigger eyes, you should have slimmer face, you should not have that round flat face. Then only you will be called pretty. So who is telling all that? Where is it shown? Obviously media has a very big influence in all such things. Obviously there are no actors and actresses anywhere in the Bollywood. Leave Bollywood, even in the Indian serials there are no people from northeastern states. And why there are no northeastern culture based movies in Bollywood, which is famous or which is popular? I cannot think of any. I think the only movie I know I have watched is Mary Kom. Imagine a situation where there are already actors and actresses in Bollywood from northeastern states, and there are millions and millions people, Indian peoples, who are watching them on TV, and they are grown up watching them on TV already. And there are movies shown in Bollywood about the Northeast Indian culture. Right from the time when we are a kid. Then what big influence it can have in the way we think and in our mentality, because I think Bollywood influence us a lot. So that is the way we are made to believe that that there is certain beauty standard even in India. They say that Indian people are not very concerned about all that, but I think they are. Yeah, they have set a kind of beauty standard in which they think that only girls who have bigger eyes or slimmer face are beautiful, or the guys who have mustache are manly, or they are the only one who can be qualified to be beautiful or handsome, or can be qualified to be on Bollywood or any other film industry. Guys, let me tell you a story about myself. So when I was doing my BDS, I met one of my patients who came to me and asked me, "Doctor, where are you from?" Then I told I am from Assam, which is in Northeast. Then the reaction she gave me was, "Oh, are you from Assam? Are there doctors there? I thought people from Assam don't study. They just work either on restaurants or they work on malls." And then I kept quiet. I was like quite in shock. I didn't know what to tell. And I just finished the treatment and I just left that place. And after that I was thinking that what kind of people, what mentality is that? How insensible people can be. And I think all this happens because of the conditioning which is from the society itself, and which is learned from the time we are childhood. So only way we can bring change in our society is by educating people and creating more awareness, and media for which can be a very big influence, and it is the only way, it is the only source from which we can reach lots and lots of people. And yeah, obviously Bollywood can have a very big impact in changing the mindset of people. So I hope we create more awareness so that more and more people, more and more talented northeastern people get chance everywhere in the society, and they are equally treated. So that is the only way we can make a change in our society, according to me. So yeah, this is one of the thing I wanted to share with you all. Please do let me know in the comment section what you think about it. And so yeah guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.